Hi, welcome back. This week I want to do this with the camera. And I purchased some AliExpress toys. This is like a dimmer for a light for 12 volt. And I have this 12 volt DC motor and 12 volt adapter. And I was thinking I gotta make some kind of round plaque and mount the camera on it and adjust the spinning with the dimmer, so I could do this. So, and now it's left to do is draw a circle and make it out of, I think, the OSB board. This is the blade, and the camera should go like the lens is in the middle where the X is. I took this. This is from the tilt and pan tripod head that I made, and I was thinking I could mount this here. Here are some bearings for the smooth rotation. On the other tripod that I have, and now I just put one bearing because I didn't get the holes lined up. So the idea is this, that it spins like here. So I got the camera mounted to the board. It's with the GoPro mount, so I think I have to change it because the big camera doesn't go well with it. But it looks kinda nice. I didn't get this to spin slow as I wanted with the motor that I had, so I had to come up with another solution for it. And thank God for Bosch. Bosch XO goes here with the clamp like so, and then I have this it's an old Lego wheel, so this goes here, little adjustment, little tightening, and then there's this little spring that holds the XO with the little tension like so, and there you go. And the beauty of it is that you can change the direction that it spins. Let's look at the camera mount. The camera mount is just some GoPro stuff added together, and there's this quick release that you can install the camera on the right angle, and then you just spin it. There you have it. You can put this clamp on so you can take your fingers away from it and it spins. I have to make it like another one of these that it's a little bit smaller so I can reduce the speed on the rotation, but I'm quite happy about it. It's not the thing that I was designed in my mind, but it works, so I'm happy. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, and leave the comment below what you think of this. I don't know where I'm gonna use it, but yeah, maybe sometimes it's gonna come. So here's the few footage that I took with it, and see you next time.